Where does arroz con pollo come from? Arroz con pollo, or rice with chicken in Spanish, is a traditional dish that is common throughout Latin America, Spain, and especially in Cuba, Puerto Rico, and Costa Rica. Common ingredients include rice, tomatoes, mixed vegetables, and fresh herbs, chicken, and saffron. There are many traditional ways to prepare it, unique to various countries. An arroz con pollo you find in Cuba may be quite different than one you find in Peru. But typically, this is enjoyed for family celebrations at lunchtime because of its hearty nature. It's also enjoyed in the colder winter months because it truly warms you up. You can also add chopped bell peppers, which you cook with the onions, or peas, which you can mix in at the end. It is an easy stovetop one-pan dish enjoyed by family. It is so good. I'm Jan from Kitchen Kitchen.